Welcome back to the 90 Cars channel, your go-to place for the latest and in-depth car reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Hyundai Grand i10 Nios, a compact hatchback that blends stylish design with advanced features, perfect for those who want an economical yet versatile ride in the USA. The 2025 Hyundai Grand i10 Nios stands out with its modern look, featuring sharp LED headlamps and a bold front grille. The exterior design has been refreshed, making it more appealing to younger buyers while maintaining its compact form, ideal for city driving. The sleek lines and chrome accents give the car a premium feel, while its dimensions ensure it remains easy to maneuver and park in tight spaces. The car also comes with stylish alloy wheels that further enhance its sporty look. Inside, the Grand i10 Nios offers a surprisingly spacious cabin for a small hatchback. Hyundai has focused on comfort and convenience, equipping the car with premium materials and a user-friendly layout. The dashboard houses a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to integrate your smartphone. There's also a new digital instrument cluster, offering a more contemporary and futuristic vibe. The seats are well cushioned, with the front seats offering good support for long drives. Additionally, the cabin comes with ample storage spaces, ensuring practicality for everyday use. Under the hood, the 2025 Grand i10 Nios is powered by a 1.2-liter petrol engine, producing a balanced combination of performance and fuel efficiency. This engine is mated to a 5-speed manual or an optional 5-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth shifting and responsive driving dynamics. The car offers good acceleration and is light on its feet, making it an enjoyable drive in urban environments. Hyundai has also equipped the car with modern safety features, including dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and rear parking sensors, ensuring a safe driving experience for both the driver and passengers. On the road, the Grand i10 Nios handles well, thanks to its well-tuned suspension system that absorbs bumps and road irregularities with ease. The steering is light but precise, offering excellent feedback for city navigation. In terms of fuel efficiency, the car is highly competitive, offering an impressive mileage figure, which is an added advantage for those looking for a budget-friendly vehicle. In conclusion, the 2025 Hyundai Grand i10 Nios combines style, comfort, performance, and practicality, making it a top contender in the compact hatchback segment. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a small family car, the Grand i10 Nios is a versatile option. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on more car-related content, don't forget to subscribe to 90 Cars. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.